Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Ultimate 9s. This is their throttle controller for Jeeps. You guys can take a look at their site, find all this stuff out for different models and stuff they have. But we're going to be opening this up, showing you guys what you get with this little kit. All right, we see the nice presentation for the unit inside the box here. Take a look at this. This is nice and sleek. Wow. So just mount with double-sided tape, and you can mount this. I like that it's so small. You can mount this pretty much anywhere, really. We'll have to see where we want to mount it on our Jeep here, but yeah, we'll find a spot right there. Just kidding. I mean, if you wanted, you probably could. So with the kit, you can also get the iDrive. So this is a magnetic mount. So we might put this on our dash. Might put it like right up in here. So something like up there, we'll see. All right, so this is the controller itself. You just connect this, plug and play with your throttle controller cable line. If you can't plug and play, you might have to do some custom wiring, but you should be able to plug and play. Then you can go ahead and power this on with your little device. But overall, really nice kit.